At first glance, it looks like a regular boxy trailer parked beside the road. Then the sides begin to open, panels fold outward, counters slide into place, and the whole thing suddenly becomes something much larger than a vehicle. This new style of export-oriented multi-purpose mobile folding unit is part food venue, part shop, part service desk, part camper, and part pop-up exhibition hall. Its biggest trick is flexibility. In one setting, it can work as a mobile banquet car for outdoor events, weddings, festivals, and company gatherings. In another, it becomes a compact supermarket with shelves, display windows, and serving counters. It can also be used as a mobile service center, giving brands, repair teams, or local businesses a temporary base wherever customers are. For camping and travel, the same folding shell can create a surprisingly practical outdoor living space. For brands, it can become a rolling showroom, opening up in a square, parking lot, market, campsite, or event field. The real appeal is simple. Instead of bringing people to a building, the building comes to them. That makes it feel less like a niche vehicle and more like a portable answer to many modern business problems at once. Before we start, smash the like button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any new stories. The transformation usually begins with positioning. Before anything folds out, the driver has to choose a flat, stable piece of ground where the vehicle can open safely on all sides. That sounds simple, but it is one of the most important parts of the setup. A folding mobile unit needs space not just to park, but to become its full-size version. Once it is in place, support legs or stabilizers are lowered to keep the structure steady. These stop the vehicle from rocking while people walk inside, lean on counters, or move equipment around. On uneven ground, the legs can help level the floor, turning a roadside stop into something that feels more like a proper room than a parked trailer. This is where the cleverness starts to show. The vehicle is still compact enough to be transported on roads, but the setup process prepares it for a much bigger footprint. Before the walls open and the roof extends, the base has to become solid, balanced, and ready to carry the weight of everything that follows. Only after that quiet groundwork is done can the showy part begin, because the impressive folding movement depends on a perfectly steady foundation below. After the base is secured, the folding sections begin to move. Large side panels can open outward like wings, instantly changing the shape of the vehicle. What looked narrow and sealed a moment earlier starts to create covered floor space, display openings, service windows, or sheltered areas for customers to stand. In some designs, the side panels become walls. In others, they become platforms, awnings, counters, or extensions of the floor. That is what makes this type of vehicle so visually satisfying to watch. Every panel seems to have a second life. A closed wall becomes a roof. A hidden panel becomes a serving hatch. A flat exterior becomes a shop front. The setup has the same appeal as a pop-up book, but on a real-world scale. Nothing feels wasted. The vehicle is built around the idea that empty surfaces can become useful space. By the time the first panels are open, it no longer feels like a truck being unpacked. It feels like a small building assembling itself in public. It is practical engineering, but it also has the strange pleasure of watching a secret room reveal itself piece by piece right in the middle of an ordinary street or field. The roof and canopy are usually the next big moment. A mobile banquet car or exhibition unit needs more than floor space. It needs shade, weather protection, and a sense of arrival. When the roof panels extend, the setup suddenly feels more official. Customers are not just standing beside a vehicle anymore. They are stepping into a temporary venue. This is especially important for outdoor dining and event use. A banquet version may need room for serving tables, food displays, lighting, signage, and guests moving around without crowding each other. The canopy helps turn a bare parking spot into something closer to a catered pavilion. It also gives the business a visible shape from a distance. For supermarkets or service centers, the extended roof can create a practical customer zone. People can browse, queue, ask questions, or wait without standing directly in the sun or rain. The structure becomes inviting because it creates a border between ordinary outdoor space and a small commercial world. That border is what makes people stop and look. Once the outer shell is open, the inside can finally be arranged. This is where the same vehicle can change personality completely. For a mobile supermarket, Shelves and refrigerated displays may become the focus. For a banquet setup, counters, warmers, prep surfaces, and serving stations matter more. For an exhibition hall, the interior needs clean sightlines and room for products. The impressive part is that the layout does not need to be permanent. Modular furniture, fold-down counters, movable racks, and hidden storage allow the unit to adapt to different jobs. A business could use it for sales during the day, a promotional event in the evening, and a private outdoor function on the weekend, all without renting separate spaces. That is why these folding units feel like a trend made for modern business. Shops are no longer tied to one street. Brands want to appear at events. Food operators need mobility. Service teams want to meet customers where they are. This kind of vehicle does not replace every building, but it challenges the idea that a business must stay in one place. For entrepreneurs, that flexibility is the point. One investment can serve several different audiences and locations every week. Once the use is over, the venue can literally fold up back into a truck that can be driven away and parked in a garage.